Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Instagram challenge required errors. So guys, if you're facing this problem, here I will show you the possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is properly working. So guys, if it is working properly and you are still unable to fix this problem, you will have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then you will have to use your mobile data to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the second solution, and that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN on your device, you will have to disconnect it to fix this problem. So guys, for that, just open settings your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here check if there is any connected VPN on your device. If there is any connected VPN, just turn it off and try to fix this problem. So guys, after this solution, there is a third solution as well, that is you will have to just offload Instagram from your device, and then you will have to reinstall your Instagram again to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open your settings again and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage. So guys, from here you will have to go to Instagram, here it is, and from here simply you will have to offload your Instagram app, and after this you will have to again install Instagram app to fix this error. So guys, after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this, there is another solution as well, that is you will have reset network settings on your device. So guys, for that, open your settings again, and from here tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So I tap here, and from here tap again on reset, and from here just reset network settings on your device by giving your passcode. So guys, after all this solution, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.